guys, I'm Abigail Ekweghi and you're welcome back to today's wider hips workout video. So we're doing a total of 3 exercises in this workout video and 15 repetitions for each of the exercises. Before we move on, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about my wider hips workout and booty challenge. Yes, I've mentioned it in a couple of videos, but I've not really talked to you guys about what it's involved and how the program is structured, so you decide whether to try it out or not. What is the challenge all about? Well, the challenge is a hypertrophy challenge. It's for muscle growth, helping you develop and grow muscle, because there is what is called progressive overload and training mind muscle connection that helps you actually grow the muscle. Without this put together in a proper structured program, you basically will be doing exercises and will not really see an increase in the muscle. Who is this challenge for? It's for everybody, all fitness level, from beginner to advanced. There are modifications and then advices on how to perform each of the move. So in the program, what you get is full-length HD video training you from beginning to the end. So it's not like you have to just get list of workouts and then you now have to learn those moves yourself after reading instruction on how to perform them. So each day you have a workout challenge, you have a full-length video for that day, so you just need to play it and start following the move with the instruction on how to perform each of the move correctly. The challenge also comes with your nutrition guide, which helps guide you on how to eat to keep your current size while you're growing your hips and butt muscle at the same time. It also guides you on losing fat, that's losing flab on your excess area, and then trying to refocus that on the body area, like grow the muscle while you lose body fat. Then you also have the calorie list, like common food you eat, you have the calorie content in them, because this is actually the most important thing when it comes to you building muscle, growing your booty, growing your hips and losing fat and all that. If you don't know your calorie, you're just doing rubbish. If you eat excess calorie too rapidly, it's going to make you add fat on the wrong area, and if you cut your calories so low in a very short time, you're also going to burn muscle mass and you will not be able to be building booty at the same time. These are some of the stupid mistakes I made when I started out. Yes, me made it. And on the training side of things, there's one stupid one. I told you guys that I was working on my boobs at that particular time, so I was basically running every day, like distance. That's where I built my endurance from. I will run very long distance and then we'll come and do 2 minutes 3 minutes of my butt workout. I'm like, okay, I'm happy, I've done my butt, and I'll be expecting it to grow. I didn't even have an idea of what is called progressive overload, which is a key thing with regard to building muscle, and this is all structured in the program to help you grow your hip muscle, your body muscle. So on the challenge too, you have a training guide, then you also have your workout calendar, you also have what's it called, a training sheet. This sheet is designed to help you progress your training after the challenge. I put all the details and how to progress beyond the 8th week, so you can progress and keep growing the booty muscle and the hip muscle after the 8 weeks challenge. So it's not like you're going to get confused. You also get a lifetime access to the program. I've got a couple of people ask me, hey, do I have a lifetime access and all that? You will get a lifetime access to it. So that's what the challenge entails. What are the requirements? You need certain equipment to join the challenge, but for a beginner and an intermediate person, you really do not need them up till about towards the end of the challenge. That's when you probably will have to include them. Who is a beginner? A beginner is anybody who is not consistent with their workout for over a year. Like you just do 2 weeks and you jump and sleep over and you do 1 month, you stop. Like you've not been consistent, you are still a beginner. Yes, an intermediate is someone who is consistent, maybe up to like 6 months, and you've mastered how to perform certain exercise correctly to really target your glute muscle. Then advanced are those who are as in those brutal ladies who work out and are consistent about it, but sometimes they could just take 1 week 2 weeks break and they still come back to it. So this challenge is conducive for both beginners, intermediate and an advanced individual. So If you want to join the challenge, it's simple. The link is below, and I left a coupon code for you to save money on your checkout page, so you don't have to really spend too much, because you guys are my favorite. Yeah, you guys are my family here on YouTube. So you get 20% off with the discount code I left in the description box below. I accept both local and international payments, and please don't join this challenge if you're not ready to push yourself and train your body to grow, because it's not 5 minutes workout. The least workout I had there is like 13 minutes, and that's even like the ab workout or something like that. So it's not 1 minute workout, it's not 2 minute workout, it's not 5 minute workout. So you need to be willing to challenge yourself. I think the max length I have is 45 minutes and the minimum is 13 minutes, and that's it for this challenge. I hope I didn't leave out any question. If I leave out any questions, I will leave some of the frequently asked questions and my responses in the comment section and the description box of this video. So let's get started with today's workout. Like I said, this is a wider hips workout, and we're performing a total of 3 exercises, but we're doing 4 sets of each of the exercises. Then for this exercises, what I want you to do is think about your muscle and try to actually position yourself peculiar to your body in a way to really target the hip muscle, because we are working just the hip today. A little bit of the glute max, not more, but the main energy, the main feeling should not be on your glute max for any of these exercises. And these are some of my favorite current hip exercises. So let's get started with the video. If you're new here on my channel, hey, I'm Abigail. Join the community by subscribing and turning on the bell beside it so you don't miss a video from me. Be sure to like and share this video. It supports this channel a lot, and thank you. Let's get started.